bent axle that we have here. As we can tell, we're going to cut that bent section out and refit it into the guy's trailer. Same day service. Okay, now we've taken the bent part of the axle out. This is our axle here. Got that straight piece there. This is the piece the fellow bent. And this is the other side. Now, as long as where the backing plate isn't bent, you can always repair an axle. Okay, we're going to show you how we're going to put an axle together. I got my friend Jay here to help me out because it's pretty heavy, but we'll show you how to do that. Set up our axle, and now we're going to slide that tube right in there, all the way in. Look at that. Perfect, all the way in. Yeah. Good, good. Our sleeve push it all the way back over.
Practice physical distancing, stay safe, wear a face covering when physical distancing, and continue to wash hands frequently. Inside,
The other side.
stay safe. Stay
And open this over.
Ontario.ca/coronavirus, paid for by the government of Ontario.
Hold it there. Look at that. That's how you do that. Now we're going to camber it, set it up, ready to go. Customers out in 3 hours. Okay, this shows the actual piece that we cut out, the bent piece, and then reinforce it with sleeves. And it's back to running shape.